Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Would you like a brand new quote to help kickstart your day today? The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you 1 minute of motivation, and here is that quote just for you. If it is important to you, you will find a way. If not, you'll just find an excuse. Is it important to you then? Is it important to you and your life? If it is a yes, well, you need to do something about that, don't you? You will find a way. You will find somehow to get whatever it is done. There are no excuses when chasing your dreams and making them try and come true. So, if it's important to you, go and find a way to make it happen today.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.